Alright, moving from the cave, guys. We try to fly the drone in between two stops. So this is the first station. We're going to another station, which is 15-20 minutes kayaking. So I try to fly the drone in between. Hello, thank you, drink up. Right people, check this out. This is my accommodation for tonight. We're gonna do some caving and kayaking in the afternoon, and we're gonna have lunch soon, so I'll keep you posted. Wow. I'm gonna show you quickly the room I got now. We got, I think, 8 rooms or something like that. So it's tiny but lovely. You got your own bathroom right here. I'm gonna show you in a sec. That's the bathroom with a shower. Smells good. So guys, here we are on the boat. As we have a bit of time, I'm trying to do some nice shots. So I try to actually set some shots, because in the past 7 days I just rushed shots and stuff like that. So I didn't really have time to create a composition. So as we have 2 hours on the boat now, I'm using these guys as models and trying to create a promo video for a travel agent. So here we go, we're just having fun as we eat watermelon and have a coffee. Woo!
So if you look at the rock layers later when you go out, you see like the rock layer is not like horizontal. It's going like this direction up to the sky, because they used to be under the water before, and then under the pressure it pushed the rock getting higher like today. So this kind of formation, like in the cave like this, they were formed like, you know, from 10 to like 50,000 years ago already. This area was given the name Halong. Yeah, the dragon, yes. They have like few different ways to explain. For example, like when you go out, you just look at the landscape and look at the rock, like mountains above the water. It looks like a dragon on the water surface.
So this cave, guys, is one of the biggest here in Vietnam. It's 10,000 square meters. That room we just passed, that is huge. Pretty good cave. I've seen many caves before, but yeah, this is the biggest one I've seen so far. Right people, I'm gonna try this thing. I've got a dry bag here from Michael. Try to fly a drone from a kayak. See how it goes. So let's see if with Chris we can drown the drone. So here we are getting a kayak.
How much have you got one?
Yeah. Chris, get a big one, because you need to row double. You guys ready?
Yeah.
Ready to do this?
Yeah.
You look like
Game
warriors.
of Thrones.
Yeah.
Game of Thrones.
Spartans, are you ready? Alright, moving from the cave, guys. We try to fly the drone in between two stops. So this is the first station. We're going to another station, which is 15-20 minutes kayaking. So I try to fly the drone in between. So what's happening is Thien is showing me now where we're gonna stop. So in case the battery's drone is low, I can just launch the drone there and land it, and then we reach it and pick it up. Well, I need to pilot as well.
I know, so you need me to row. As quick as possible.
Right guys, Chris is gonna have a load of fun now because he has to row for 2 people. So I'm gonna pilot the drone as we go. He's gonna pilot the kayak. He's not happy about that. Here we go guys, set up.
I'm a rootin' tootin' trailblazing cowboy.
It's on time guys, let's go.
A rootin' tootin' trailblazing cowboy, doing what I do best. I'm a rootin' tootin' trailblazing cowboy, driving my cattle out west. I'm a rootin' tootin' trailblazing cowboy, doing what I do best. I'm a chap wearing saddle, shining cow, branding fire, building lasso, throwing sharp, shooting cowboy. A whiskey drinking, grub eating, bean chewing, pistol loading, cattle herding, spur wearing cowboy. Just a rootin' tootin' trailblazing cowboy, driving my cattle out west. I'm a rootin' tootin' trailblazing cowboy, doing what I do best.
Right guys, emergency landing here because the battery is off. I need to land and we are kind of 200 meters away, so I'll try to land on this little beach there. Okay, I'm actually on the sand. There's someone there already. Not suitable for landing. So Thien is on the beach, he's trying to get it.
Yeah, you go with it, but Thang's gonna grab it. Right, Thang's got it. Switch off.
He got it guys, he got it. Chris, I'm so sorry. Wow, that was a sick video though. That's Thien guys, can you see him there? Thien, take a selfie. Take a selfie with the drone. Right guys, this is ridiculously good fun. Sick shot, I need to close because battery's off and Chris is dying.
Hi guys.
Thanks dude. Wow, I did a lot of rowing today, jeez. That was so tiring. You're right there.
Like standing around.
Thank you, Chris. Guess we need some food now.
Yeah.
And a shower.
Yes.
Way better than cycling.
Yeah.
Yes, so much better.
Awesome. Liked it. Yeah, review? No. From 1 to 10.
10. Definitely a 10.
Good. Right people, that was so much fun. So definitely worth coming to Halong Bay. Downside, a lot of rubbish. It's really dirty. But yeah, it's cool. Kayaking is good fun. Good team of people right here. So great G Adventures trip.